Well, before we start working with the Flash program, we need to figure out just what kind of space we have, how large is the space we have to work with in our Dreamweaver program. So if you haven't already, I'm going to start up Dreamweaver. And you may have to make sure that your name is selected. I'm going to go find my index file, open that up. And this time I'm in the design view, but I'm going to switch over to the split view. In fact, I'm going to look at the CSS, and I'm going to click on this little box that has our um, main content area on it. I'll go find that over here in my CSS area. This is telling me that my main content has a width of 645 pixels. But if I come over here and just kind of linger inside the box, it's going to give me the properties. It tells me that I'm inside the div tag called main content. It's floating to the right. We know that. Whoops, lost it. Let's see if I can get it back. Notice where it says width. It's saying the width is 645 pixels, but it's showing 643 pixels inside the parentheses. Your numbers may be a little different. You may have been somewhat independent when you created yours and put some different numbers in there. So if your numbers are different, you'll have to work with those numbers. Okay, where is that coming from? Well, right here it's basically stating that I have a border of 1 pixel that is going all the way around. When it's just 1 pixel, that means all 4 edges. So if you subtract 1 pixel for the left margin and 1 pixel for the right margin, we're going to come up with 643 instead of the 645. So that was kind of an important bit of information. So we do know that our the width that we're really working with is 643 pixels for this example. Again, your example may be different. You may have more or you may have less. Also, notice that where it says height, there is no height. And if I come back over here, I can see that well, there was absolutely no height given to this particular thing. So the height is going to be pretty much whatever the actual height of the project that we're working on is going to be. So let's see, we got to remember 643 and we need to make up a height. I think we can handle that.